Moving up in Annapolis, there are 150 homes for sale, and these have been on the market for 41 days thus far. This is almost double this time last year. It's Friday, November 18th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Not much new inventory, just homes staying on the market longer. Almost half of these have made pricing adjustments. Mortgage rates dipped under 7%. Whispers are that inflation is easing a bit, and that may help the interest rate reposition to 5% at some point. Not going to say that will be happening, but the housing market is a big influence on the economy. At present, we are seeing massive layoffs nationwide. Consumers are pulling back on the reins of spending, and all the media reports are having a negative effect on consumer confidence levels. So many are scared to do anything. Fear breeds inaction. Inaction leads to stagnation. Stay tuned. So Annapolis has fewer homes coming on the market as inventory is beginning to rise. 19 new listings hit the market over the past week. 11 homes are coming on the market. 13 went under contract. 7 moved to pending. 26 sold in 15 days at 98.7% list to sold ratio. The highest sale was in Eastport for $3,300,000. Rental inventory rose again this week to 35 homes for lease at an average of $2,945 per month and steady at 27 days active. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, November 18th, 2022. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.